Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see connected Wi-Fi password on your phone. So let's start. First open settings on your device. Now tap on connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on the settings icon of your current network. Then tap on manage router. And a browser window will open. And it will ask you to sign in. Now tap on admin on the username. Then admin on the password. But remember, this will work if only the router owner has not yet changed the username and password. Now tap on sign in. Now let me zoom a little bit to show you properly. In this menu bar, tap on wireless. Then tap on wireless security. And here you will see the wireless password. That's the password of your connected Wi-Fi. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.